Awesome is for everyone. Awesome screen, awesome camera. Awesome is for everyone.
Hi, Blooms! Mark your calendars and make sure na mapanood niyo ang aming live stream sa official Facebook page ng Samsung Philippines.
Create awesome moments with us with our favorite Galaxy A55 and A35 5G.
See you!
Awesome, awesome. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, awesome is for everyone. Awesome screen, awesome battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera. Awesome, awesome is for everyone. Awesome screen, awesome camera, awesome is for everyone.
Hi, Blooms! Mark your calendars and make sure na mapanood niyo ang aming live stream sa official Facebook page ng Samsung Philippines.
Create awesome moments with us with our favorite Galaxy A55 and A35 5G.
See you!
Awesome, awesome. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, awesome is for everyone. Awesome screen, awesome battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera. Awesome, awesome is for everyone. Awesome screen, awesome camera, awesome is for everyone.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Create Awesome Live with Samsung. I'm Kat Salaw, and I'm super excited because for today's hashtag Samsung Live, we get to talk more about the new Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. And we're doing it with the country's top P-pop girl group who has captured the hearts of the Filipinos. We hear their songs everywhere. We see all people posting their dance covers and dance challenges all over social media. And in 2 months, they're going to be having their first major 3-day sold-out concert, Beanieverse. So everyone, Blooms! Let's welcome the nation's girl group and the newest members of hashtag Team Galaxy, Beanie.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di kinakapanaw. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang sinakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga tala. Mga pinsik ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Footprints sad to walk in with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Kiss boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like somewhere I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sumapit na ang araw, nang ika'y muling nakausap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y bigla nang di mapakali. Ano nga bang sinabi, kakapit pa hanggang muli? Footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Kiss boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya, Pwede yan, kasi para bang di na mapikinig. Kumakabog o huminto, kumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. All your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shit, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo bang pinarama? This boy feels so good. Bawat araw ay sumasaya, nang mawala ang kita ka, nang mawala ng pangangamba, panggitay gabi na feeling right. Parang isang tropiko, can't wait to go back with you. Sa isang tropiko, sa isang tropiko, pantropiko, pantropiko, sa isang tropiko.
Hey everyone, I'm Kat Salaw and I am hashtag Team Galaxy. I was with Samsung when they toured the Philippines and they launched the brand new Galaxy A series. And now I am here at the hashtag Team Galaxy, the Create Awesome Live with none other than our nation's girl group and the newest members of hashtag Team Galaxy, Beanie! Hi girls!
Hello po!
Thank you so much for making time for us. Alam naming sobrang busy nyo. But, you know, we are here. We are at our Create Awesome Live with you. And we're so excited for you to be here. So, for all our viewers out there, lalo na yung mga blooms who are waiting for you to hear your voice, diba? Why don't you introduce yourselves?
Tuthi!
Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Mika and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Sheena and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, I'm Gwen and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, I'm Aloy and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, I'm Aya and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, it's Joanna and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Colette and I'm hashtag Team Galaxy. And we are
Beanie! There we go! Beanie is here. Ayan na, the comment section going crazy. Kaya sobrang excited namin. We're getting to know more about Beanie. But of course, we are also here because we want to talk more about the new Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. And we're gonna have a lot of fun with them. So girls, pakita nyo nga yung mga A35 and A55 5Gs nyo. Ayan na. So different colors. Whoever your favorite member is, baka it is time to get exactly the same phone para parang partners kayo, diba?
Yes.
So for sure, we're gonna have a lot of fun with them. And daming challenges and daming games for today. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of our stream. And if meron pa kayong mga kilala na mga blooms or maybe mga Samsung fans, please do not forget to share our hashtag Samsung Live link para they can come and join the fun. All right. And if I were you, blooms, like I said, you see your favorite members here with the Galaxy A35 and the Galaxy A55 5G. And ito na ang chance nyo to go buy yourselves an A35 or an A55 5G because you get exclusive live freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos!
Wow.
Diba? That includes a free Galaxy Buds FE, a silicone case, and a travel adapter. Wow!
Bongga!
We want.
Gusto ko yung mga reacts. And of course, you can buy that at Samsung.com, delivered right to you. You can check the link in this live to go ahead to our buy page. Now, di ba gusto nyo matchy-matchy? I see iba-ibang kulay kayo, girls, no? Yes. Ooh, fave colors. Me, I have personally, here we go, terno. Yes. All right, and it's your turn to get your own as well. So, ito pa. Another one. If you stay, mga blooms dyan, until the end of our live stream, you can get a chance to get signed merch from Beanie.
Wow!
Here's the merch.
Tropiko.
Wow!
Wow.
Okay. a banner in the shade of
Pantropico?
yes,
Stickers.
in the shade of
Pantropico?
A big.
Wow, it's so
Bag.
cute.
A bag
kayo.
Bag.
a bag.
Pop,
Pop
socket.
socket.
Wow.
And ding 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 ding.
Wow, it's for
What's that? What's
phone.
that?
It's for the phone. Yes.
Hindi, ang cute ng bag kasi tinan mo, pwede siyang maging ganito. Two-way. My nest. My nest.
Decor sa bahay. Oh.
I love the
Perfect
bag.
for summer.
And you're
Very Ate Aya.
Thank you.
Exactly. Ayan, nakita nyo. Signed by Beanie. Nahawakan ni Beanie. Oh.
Wow.
Ipasa-pasa
Wow.
nyo para, oh.
May ano na, beanie germs.
Beanie blessing.
Bini blessing.
Diba?
Wow.
Nabasbasan.
Bininyagan.
Wow. You're so
Yun.
witty. I love it.
Hashtag bininyagan. So, ayan. That's what you get to win later on. May quiz tayo mamaya. Kaya kailangan alert tayo lahat, taking down notes if possible, so that you can get the merch, of course, from Samsung and Beanie. All right, ayan na. So much time to share the live stream for you guys and enjoy the fun. But Beanie, I think it's time, my turn naman, to interview you guys right now kasi excited na talaga ako. It's time to learn more about Beanie. Okay? All right, girls. We know that you've been so busy recently. I mean, your major concert is coming up very, very soon. Breathe na lang, no? But of course, you know, kahit busy kayo, I know na one day lang talaga dapat yung concert nyo.
Yes.
Diba? Pero, grabe yung nangyari. Kailangan nyo mag-add ng 2 more days. That's crazy. So what was your reaction when you first found out na, you know, sold out kayo for your first day?
Yes, nasa meeting po kami noon for our concert nung selling na po ng ticket. Tapos nag-aabang lang kami ng, uy, ayun na, nag-open na yung ticket selling. Tapos nag-aabang kami, hala, ilan na po yung nabibenta? Sold out na po ba? Officially, less than 2 hours po na sold out yung first day. Tapos napaisip po kami, kawawa naman yung ibang Blooms na hindi nakasecure ng tickets kasi sobrang dami po nasa X na nagtitweet sila na, wala po, hindi po sila nakasecure. So sabi namin, sige, mag-day 2 po kami. And tinatanong kami ng management po kung kakayanin namin kasi ayaw naman po namin masacrifice yung quality ng performances kasi nga hindi biro yung 3 days na concert. So, ayun, nag-meeting kami muna ng girls bago namin sabihin yung final decision sa kanila and nagkasundo po kami na magkakaroon ng day 2 and day 3. Tapos, sabay po kasi namin in-open yung ticket selling ng day 2 and day 3. So, parang worry namin, may bumili pa kaya? Kasi baka mamaya, okay yung day 2, pero pagdating ng day 3, hindi na namin ma-sold out. Pero nagulat kami, in 2 hours din po, day 2 and day 3 sabay na sold out po.
Grabe, 3 days, sold out lahat. Lucky number 2 ata, 2 hours, di ba? Grabe. And, you know, question natin, yung mga nakabili ng tickets dyan, mga Blooms dyan, comment if you have bought your tickets already kasi, you know, swertihan talaga, no? Pero, it just means, I think, kailangan nyo na ng second major concert. Oh.
Wow. We shall see po. Yes.
Abangan.
Someday, hopefully, bigger venue. Sana po.
Yan, i-manifest natin yan. Okay, so, you know, you have your concert, Beanieverse. We're so excited to watch it. But alam namin, ang dami niyo pang group activities na gagawin for, lalo na summertime, di ba? And also, you have Tala Arawan promotions. So, you want to talk about your activities for that?
Magkakaroon po kami ng sobrang daming mall shows and mga festivals po. So, bale, parang gusto po namin ikutin yung buong Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao for our Blooms po. Kasi talagang yung mga taga Mindanao, lalo na sobrang nagtatampo sila. Kasi, Bini, punta naman kayo dito sa Mindanao. So, gusto namin silang ma-treat ng maayos. Kasi, we love our Blooms.
Oh, that's so awesome. Kasi of course, di ba, hindi lang dito sa Metro Manila, whole Philippines, pati international, right?
Yes po.
So, you know, all the Blooms love you. And if you are a Bloom from Visayas or Mindanao, this is your chance. Comment away. Di ba? Comment na para umabot na talaga sila and they're gonna make it there this whole entire, you know, next few months, hopefully. Okay, so let's talk about the most exciting partnership.
What is that?
Diba? Diba? Ito talaga eh. Ito yung mga partners na worth it eh, no? The partnership, knowing, I want to know when you found out na ito na, official na kayo ng Samsung, right? And you are now part of hashtag Team Galaxy. How did you feel? What were your reactions?
Galing po kami ng isang event po nun. Parang galing kami ng isang event nun, tas parang nasa van na po kami, pauwi na po kami, tas in-announce po ni Miss MQ na part nga po kami ng Samsung. Grabe pong tilian po namin sa loob ng sasakyan.
Nagtanong pa nga po kami, for posting po ba? Or talagang endorsers na po kami?
Kilig po kami kasi user po talaga kami ng Samsung po. Even before pa po kami kinuha po ng Samsung. So kilig po kami. So sana po magtagal po kami sa Samsung.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy yan. And of course, diba, all the endorsers of Samsung, we love that. Love na love nyo rin sila, diba? O, mga kinikilig. Oh! Alright, may nag-record ba nung tili nyo sa car? Wala? O, nung celebrations? It's okay. Now that you have your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G, time to record.
Dual recording para...
Dual recording, tama. Alright. Okay, so, I'm so excited. I know that a lot of our fans are also, or a lot of the Blooms are very excited. I think it's time, let's check out if there are people. Ayan, ang dami nagko-comment. So, basahin natin yung ibang mga comments from our stream today. Hashtag, so excited that Beanie is now hashtag Team Galaxy na.
Thank you.
Hi. And we have another one that says, I can't wait na rin to watch their concert. Oh my gosh, wow. Ayan, nakakuha siya ng ticket.
Oh,
Congrats. All right. Masyado ako na-excite. Okay, so we have your Beanieverse, we have all your activities. And since summer na, diba? Let's talk. I know sobrang busy nyo, but you make time, right?
Yes.
Yes. I feel like this question is for you. Ayan. So, kahit super busy nyo, you make time, and everybody here wants to know mga summer plans nyo, right? So, the things that you're gonna do now that the summer is here, and also, yung mga memories na iti-take nyo, ika-capture nyo to share it on social media. So, who wants to share first their summer plans?
Well, summer plan po, concert. Kasi yun na po yung naka-schedule po for our schedule. Kasi po sometimes, even if we want to make our own schedule, but they already have a month-long schedule planned for us. But before that, I got to have my early summer plan, so I got to travel around while I also got to use this actually when I was traveling. So it's nice kasi sobrang linaw ng kuha po, and the color is very vivid. And yes, it's nice because I was traveling in Vietnam, Hong Kong, and Thailand that time. Yeah, and it's so nice kasi it's yung gamit ko is the dual recording, so I get to take a video of myself and the nice scenery. So I love it so much.
Di ba parang vlogger mode?
Yes po.
The best
Lakas
vlogger
maka-vlogger,
mode.
yeah.
Oo, kasi you can record yourselves, selfie cam, and back cam simultaneously, and you don't anymore need 2 cameras or to retake. Diba? So, great. Especially kayo. I'm sure all the Blooms want to know you guys, what you guys are doing talaga throughout this summer. So, vlogger mode is the mode that they'll be using. All right. Who else? Who else wants to share their summer plans?
Siguro po ako, gusto ko pumunta kami ng family ko sa resort. And I think, perfect tong kabanding kasi for example, syempre may mga bata ka rin kasama, minsan makukulit. And this is splash resistant, so perfect for resorts.
Yes. Di ba yung mga water, yung nagtatapon ng water?
Yes, di ba po?
By the pool. Of course, because the Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G are both IP67 splash resistant. So, as the girl said nga, perfect ito for pool photos because these are for fresh water photos na pwede kayo mag-splash around there, and then the photos are going to be fantastic pa rin. So, excited na kami makita ang mga summer content ninyo.
Abangan!
Yeah, and we're gonna also learn, siguro later, bibigyan nyo kami ng mga tips on how to pose, on how to take selfies. Gusto nyo ba yon, Blooms?
Yes. Joanna po din magaling.
Ang feeling mo.
Selfie Queen Joanna.
Okay. Tetest natin yan mamaya. The selfie queen Joanna. Is that... Wow! Yes?
Panindigan
Cute niya.
Si Joanna po talaga yun. Si Joanna.
Bakit ikaw ang voted na selfie queen?
Hindi ko.
I feel like, ayan, Blooms, bakit siya ang voted niyong selfie queen?
Comment down below. Joanna versus Ate Maloy.
So, you know, very, very excited for your summer plans and for the content, for the videos, the vlogger mode that you're gonna be taking later, that you're gonna have using your A35 and A55 5G. But right now, I feel like it's time na to play a little game.
Yay!
No? Super easy. This one, you know, we're here kasi we want to get to know more about Beanie talaga. We want to know what you guys think. And I'm sure yun naman talaga ang gusto ng Blooms, diba? To really like get to know each of you more. Yun na naman ang gusto nyo, diba?
Yeah.
So this game is called Who's Most Likely to?
Wow!
What's that?
Never pa po namin nalaro po ito.
Totoo. It's a new game for us. We love that game.
All right. Hindi ko alam kung joke o totoo eh.
Lagi po
Lagi kasi.
Lagi po namin nilalaro.
So alam nyo na, sana yung mga questions ko iba.
Apo,
Yes. Para naman exciting. All right. So who is most likely to? Of course, on the A30, on the phones that they have, the Galaxy A series phones, each member of Beanie, andun yung mga pangalan nila. And all they will do is answer the question with the name. Ayan, wala pang ang tanong, may sagot na. With the name of the member they think na pinaka-applicable, pinaka-pwede tong mga tanong natin. Alright? So, as they check their phones, again, we want to remind you guys that if you want to be like a Beanie today, you better get yourselves the Galaxy A series because it's on Samsung.com and you get freebies up to 8,070 pesos. Ayan.
I wanna join.
Kuha na kayo. Nauna. Inuutusan ko kayo.
Ay, mayroon tayong a little demanding dito. But I feel like kaya. Kaya, diba? Masunod yung mga bata. Okay, next. Are we ready to play Who's Most Likely to?
Yes!
Okay, ito na. Question number 1. Who is most likely to spend most of her time kaka-update sa social media? Dun, 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 dun. 3, 2, 1. Show your answers. We got Aya, Maloy, Joanna, Colette, Joanna.
Nag-react.
May violet reaction?
Colette. Ko si Gwen.
Sino ang...
Sino nga na majority?
Majority ay...
Bakit ako?
Ilang Joanna?
Snapper nga yan sa ex eh. Ba't paano naging...
Joanna...
Akala ko nga Stacy, sasagot ko sana eh.
I think it's Joanna and Maloy.
Si Gwen.
Is it a tie?
Feeling ko si Gwen talaga.
Ako na to, guys. Pinaka-OA. I'm sorry.
Pag uuwi kasi si Joanna, let's say from work, mag-tweet siya agad, "Hi,
Totoo.
Blooms, kakauwi lang
Yes.
from a tiring day from
Yes,
work."
ganyan siya
Gusto
po.
lang namin, sasabihin mo ka.
Papansin kasi si Joanna sa Blooms siya.
Tapos sasabihin niya, ay, kumain ako ng mangga today.
O, para
wala
next time
super
bibigyan
random,
siya ng
sobrang
pangga.
random.
TMI. Ganun.
Gusto lang niya updated lahat.
Because she's the best leader.
Sana all.
Wow.
Sana all enough.
Okay, si Maloy rin got some votes.
Ate Aya rin, di ba? Oh, hindi ba?
Hindi.
Sucks lang.
Thank you for thinking of
Magre-reply
me.
siya, ha 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 ha, ganun lang.
Hindi, lagi siyang nagpo-post ng update.
Stories.
Ako?
Mas
Stories.
Mas stories ako.
Stories.
Versus, yeah.
Okay, and then Colette, meron kang isang
Ewan ko
vote.
ba dyan? Ba't ka ba nag-ano?
Lagi kasi siyang si Anger sa ano.
Lagi
Sa
po kasi
Twitter.
may mga
Hindi kaya ako
nire-reply niya sa
nag-update.
Twitter.
Oh, pero hindi ako nag-update.
Meron po
May
yung
mga
last na nireplyan. Ano ba yung last na
Epal ka,
nireplyan?
yung cute yung filter. Huwag na, TMI ka na.
Hindi siya
TMI
ma-update.
ulit siya. TMI ulit si
Ang
Joanna.
dito na-update talaga
Hindi
tayo.
siya ma-update, ma-violent reaction.
Okay, mukhang exciting ang mga sagot natin today. Question number 1 pa lang. Okay, here. Next up, are we ready? Question number 2?
Yes.
Okay, who is most likely to bring a pet during vacation? Ayan, 3, 2, 1. Raise your answers. We got Mika. We got maraming Aya. I think majority si Aya.
Kahit po grumpy po yung si Lingling. Kahit
Yes,
na.
we have a
Opo.
cat. But he is
Mini cat.
now in Cebu.
Cebuano
Traveler po
na siya. Cebuano na si Ling.
Oo, dinadala niya po sa recording namin.
Yes, because before, so we have a cat po kasi. And then, I used to bring him everywhere. Cafes, even recording studios. And he even got to be a part of our song and music video. Yeah.
Ng level, umaabot na
Shout out kay Lingling. We miss you, Ling.
If you're watching this,
Lingling, maayong udto. Kasi Cebuano na siya. Nasa Cebu na siya. Maayong udto.
ayo-ayo arali.
Di kamot.
Cute. So, yung mga pets natin, di ba, part of our families talaga yan. And I wanna talk about kasi alam ko si Maloy meron ka ring Chowlong, di ba?
Hindi po buntis si Chowlong.
Lalaki po si Chowlong, di po siya buntis.
Ayan,
Yun po
narinig na po natin. Let's
Live na
clarify lang. Ano ba nangyari doon?
Nagla-live po kasi kami before. Oh, go, ituloy mo. Kwento mo yan.
Kwento ko to Kasi po, nagla-live ako nasa mga Christmas break po noon. Tapos, may pet po kasi kami, Dutch Hun po, si Chowlong po. Ano po siya, nandun po siya sa malusog na family ng mga dogs. Kahit po hotdog po siya na malaki na.
Jumbo na.
Opo, pero Dutch Hun po siya. Opo, ang weird nga po kung bakit siya lumaki ng ganun. Tapos, ayun po, nagkakwento po ako kasi yun po, na-aksidente po si Chowlong. Huy! It's a serious kwento.
Guys, it's serious. Na-accidente si Chowlong.
So, na-aksidente siya, siya ng sedan. Tapos, na-vet siya. Oo, siya ng sedan, nabangga siya. Tapos, na-injure siya, pero after nun, okay na siya ulit. Agad, nakakain siya ng chocolate, okay na siya ulit. Chocolate!
Pwede ba yun?
Buhay pa rin siya.
Okay.
So, pwede. Tapos, after nun, dinala ko siya, nagla-live ako, hi, Blows, gano'n, kwento ko. May nag-comment, buntis po ba si Chowlong? Sabi ko, hindi po buntis si Chowlong, lalaki po siya. Yun po yung kwento, tapos, ayun po, nag-viral. Hi, Chowlong! Keep eating. Keep eating.
Rar. And ganoon talaga pag mahal na mahal ang mga pets, di ba? O, yung hindi naman yung buntis, siya, love na love. Busog na busog sa love, no?
Grabe.
Ayan, clarified na po, hindi po buntis si Chowlong.
Dahil lalaki po siya. Bakit po si Chowlong?
Okay, so, ayan, mga special, sana meron din si Chowlong na sa music video ninyo, ma-star rin siya doon, no? Kaya ba?
Sa 2030 na music video.
Oh my God. Sana umabot pa sa Chowlong.
Naisip ko na.
Di ba?
Chowlong, the newest Beanie Star. Oh, diba? Okay. So, speaking of videos, of course, merong OIS and VGIS stabilization features. These are great. Yung features ng Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. So, alam nyo yun, pag may mga, hindi ko alam kung mabilis ba tumakbo si Chowlong?
Hindi po. Kasi mabigat po siya. Hindi po siya mabilis tumakbo.
Siguro si Lingling na lang, no?
Ayan po! Nakahabol po yun.
The best example.
First time kayo makakakita ng pusang nangahabol. Aso naman nangahabol, di ba? Hinabol ka, di ba?
O yan, while Lingling is running around, pwede nyo siyang picturean because there is, kunin nyo ng video, very stable talaga and sobrang linaw pa rin yung magiging video natin. Okay, so, so Lingling, manghabol ka ulit at very clear, alright? Ang ating videos talaga, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next up, question number 3. Who is most likely to overpack when traveling?
Isa lang ang sagot neto.
Para nagkakaisa kami dito.
3, 2, 1. And the winner is Aya!
Sobra to overpacker.
Please explain.
I can confirm and attest to it. Yes po, overpacker po talaga ako. Because
nag-anxiety ako minsan because like, that's why I tend to overpack because I want na sure madala ko lahat kasi baka magkulang. So kahit ano-ano na po dinadala ko po. Minsan nagdadala ako ng mga
Yung heels na hindi naman gagamitin, dadalhin niya po.
Parang
ano po?
may isa tayong labas na
Ayan.
nagdala ka ng ilang heels. 9 pairs yata.
Sa Australia ata.
9 pairs po ng heels. Nakakaloka po, di
Just
ba?
to be sure.
Lagi nakakalimot ng boots.
Pero may 9 pairs of heels siya.
Opo.
Ipang sayaw mo yun, Bea.
Wala lang po. Yeah, I tend to be anxious so I bring everything. Yeah.
Minsan actually, may tendency si Jo. Mag-overpack din.
Actually,
Baka ako lang to.
Baka ako lang.
Ikaw lang.
Minsan po, kasi dahil po siguro leader siya. So, Jo, may steamer ka siyang magdadala. Jo, may ano ka, magdadala mo siya.
Yung mga necessities, gano'n.
Yes po.
Kayo din naman pantahi.
Ako.
Si Mika.
Si Mika
May
po.
nagpadala ng pantahi.
Okay, so ikaw ba, nagdadala ka ba ng jacket pero sa beach pupunta, gano'n? Hindi naman.
Actually, feel ko kahit ano-ano na lang po dinadala ko po. Yes po, yeah.
Well, at least very sure ka, diba? And also, congrats girls, yun yung first answer nyo na lahat kayo same answer.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Diba? It was for Aya. Okay, so next up, we have, who's most likely to, ito na.
Nakatakot yung ha.
It involves, airports.
Oh.
Okay?
Ano ba yan?
Sure, ate, maiwan?
Uy!
Who is most likely to be late for her flight?
Uy, may
Dalawa
sagot din
yun,
ako.
oh. Dalawa
Meron
yan.
ako. Meron ding na ano na
Okay.
huli talaga.
So, hindi siya same answers. Ay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bakit si Gwen?
So, we
Yung
have
kay kwento
Aya.
ni Gwen.
Isang beses lang.
Isang beses
Ito
lang.
naman sarili mo. Random naman nun.
naman
Choose yourself. Choose yourself.
Sige, kwento mo muna. Bakit si Gwen?
Bakit si Gwen?
Ay, sorry,
Ay,
naging
wala.
host,
Gwen na lang.
naging host ako. Sorry pa.
Ay, kwento mo muna, bakit si Gwen? Rewind. Okay, so
Sorry
kwento
po.
mo muna bakit si Gwen.
Ay, kasi naalala ko lang yung time na pabalik. Tapos, yeah.
Naiwan siya. Ay, naiwan siya na aeroplano. Naalala mo yun, na nag-commute ka na.
Isang beses,
Oo.
sa Bicol po. Opo. Naiwan ako. Pero iwan madalas ikaw.
One time lang yun, Gwen. One time lang.
Opo. Naiwan
okay.
ako ng plane.
So we have Mika and
Aya
Aya
po.
rin ba yung iba? Aya rin lahat. Okay, so si Mika, why do you pick Mika?
Actually, Mika din na Aya.
Kasi po si Mixing, pag
Thank
may flight po kami ng madaling araw, hindi talaga siya natutulog po. So parang,
Yeah.
kaya niya po straight. Halimbawa may ganap po kami. Siyempre kami tutulog kami mga kahit 2 hours, ganon, para energized kami. Siya po diretsos talaga. So feeling ko pag nakatulog siya sa airport, di siya magigising. Makaiiwan siya ng aeroplano.
May violent reaction dito. Paglaban mo sarili mo.
Most likely na malilate.
Hindi, sa ano na lang po, sa ganap. Nalilate po siya sa ganap.
Oh, hindi na.
Ay, hindi sa
Ay,
Gwen.
nagbago na siya.
Nagbago na po
Maayos
siya.
na yung alarm clock ko.
Uy, hindi.
Maayos na.
Si violent reaction talaga.
Napindot
Ano?
na naman si Anger.
Napindot si Anger. Napindot si Anger.
Sorry, napindot.
Ayan.
Okay lang yan, Mika. At least, early ka na in your ganaps.
Yes,
Socials,
nagbago
gano'n.
na yun.
Opo, sa training yun, aga-aga niya.
Oo. Mas nauna pa ngayon sa akin.
Okay, so yung winner ng round na to is Aya.
Ay.
Thank you, guys.
She's
Aya,
everything.
you've been winning
I'm
a lot the
everything.
rounds, ah.
I'm everything.
So you are most likely to be late for your flight?
Sige.
Or baka naman wala talagang correct answer?
Siya po, kasi minsan siya na lang po yung tinatawag sa aeroplano para bago umalis. Siya na lang yung kulang po. May ganun ka. Oh, ikaw
saan?
nagsabi nun.
Sa ano?
Don't be mad.
Sa ano?
Calling the attention of Mariah Queen
Pumindot si
Arceta.
Anger.
Di ba, last minute na lang. Yung nagkukumo ka.
Pumipindot
bago ka
si
lumipad.
Anger ngayon. Nakapindot si Anger.
Basta, uy.
Sige po, mag-meeting po muna kami.
Mag-meeting po muna. Kung tama ba
Iko-confirm
yun.
po namin. Iti-tweet na lang na.
I accept, guys. Thank you.
Ayan. Si Joy na ulit.
Okay po, mayroon pa po tayong mga questions dito. We'll circle back. Balik tayo dun sa answer na yun. Baka next live natin dito, iba na yung mga sagot ninyo, diba? Okay, next. Who is most likely to get lost on vacation?
Ay, ano?
Ang mawala. Pag nagbabakasyon. Oo. Hindi niya alam, wala siyang maps.
Okay.
Diba? 3, 2, 1, go.
Actually,
Sheena
Myself.
and
I vote
Stacy.
myself.
Stacy
Feeling ko both of them.
Stacy and ano,
Sheena
no?
and
Stacy and
Gwen.
Sheena.
Stacy, Sheena, and Gwen.
Sino na Gwen?
Na Gwen.
Sorry, Gwen. So bakit
Okay.
bakit sino ba ang more votes dito? I think it's Stacy and Sheena, no? Okay. So, why
Porket nag-Hong
Stacy, why Sheena? Pero naman sila, pwede sila mawala together, gano'n.
Hindi po kasi nila kayang lumabas na mag-isa lang po sila. Takot sila sa tao po.
Tsaka tumawid ng kalsada.
Kaya ko naman, basta sa ABS area lang.
Around Tomas Morato lang.
Actually,
Tomas Morato.
mas takutin si Sheena kasi kahit ABS area,
Hindi kaya
nagpapasama pa rin siya.
Ba't ang lapit mo?
Okay, hindi na. Hindi na ako papasama.
No!
Alright, Stacy, Sheena, you are the ones to get lost on vacation. Pero minsan masarap mawala sa vacation, di ba?
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi talaga sila.
Feeling ko, mabilis ako mag-panic.
Got it. So, kailangan, I mean, hindi naman kailangan, mas masaya talaga magkasama kayo lahat. So, sana walang mawala. Yun na lang. Pray tayo walang mawala. Okay. Next up, ito, favorite, number 6. Sino or who's most likely to photobomb sa selfie ng ibang members? Ayan na. 3, 2, 1, go! Iba-iba na naman. We have Maloy, Joanna, and Sheena. Most likely to photobomb.
Si Joanna mahilig siya.
Siya po yung
Oo,
nagpo-photobomb.
siya yung nagpo-photobomb. Siya yung magro-ruin ng photo. Ganon.
Ito po.
Ayan.
Photo
Joanna
ruiner.
talaga.
Yeah, not photobomber.
Photo ruiner.
Alright, so Joanna, you are the photo bomber. Sheena also is a photo bomber. We're gonna test those photo bombing skills later siguro, no? And of course, remember, okay, so Joanna, what do you have to say na ikaw ang photo bomber ng group?
Why do you ruin people's photos daw?
Ang sakit. Si Sheena kaya, minsan kasi nagtitiktok po ako, tapos may nakanganga sa likod ko.
Ganyan sa kay Sheena.
Si Joanna po kasi, kunwari, ang ganda na ng picture mo. Pero papangitan niyo yung mukha niya para talaga, hindi mo ma-post.
Para hindi ma-post.
So, kailangan na
Gamitin niyo na lang yung object eraser.
Perfect! Perfect yun. Perfect.
Buong mukha yung tinanggal.
Tanggalin
Jo,
mo lahat
buong
ng
pagkatao ni Jo, i-erase.
Correct. So, object eraser for those unwanted selfies.
Unwanted
For
si Jo.
other people.
Person.
Wanted si Jo.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay,
Joe, we
yan.
still love you.
Basta naka-Samsung, okay na.
Hey! Ayan, like Dini said, you can use the object eraser to erase yung mga unwanted people, diba? Minsan may may mga objects or mga random things na gusto nyo tanggalin. All you do is press down or tap or encircle the object na gusto nyo i-erase. Sana naman huwag nyo i-erase si Joanna. Cute pa rin naman yung mga photos.
I-replace na lang ng picture niya na sticker.
Tama.
Okay, number 7 naman. Who is most likely to borrow stuff from other members and say, ay, nakalimutan ko magdala. Borrow.
Ako na to. Can I borrow eyelash glue, girls?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Aya and...
Actually, lahat ay.
Opo.
Lahat. Wala pong all.
Lahat. Nakakalimot minsan po.
Ano yung number 1 na nakakalimutan nyo?
In-ear.
Ear monitor. At saka solution ng contact.
Makeup. Ibang parang may kulang sa makeup namin. So, mahirap kami sa iba.
Tsaka pangkulot. Girls, sino may pangkulot?
Si Ate Colette.
Best part, diba? At least kayo, you all help each other talaga. Everyone has something else.
Cute. Ang
Okay.
maganda sa girls, hindi sila madamot magpahimay.
Aww.
Because we're family.
Wow. Who is most likely to spend a lot on pasalubong?
Ay, eto. Ang dami niyang pamilya.
3, 2,
Ang batalyon.
1, go. Joanna, you are the winner of this round.
Ay, kaya!
Ben, only child, pero
Pag nagpupunta tayo sa mga Davao, ganun, tsaka kung saan-saan, ang dami niya laging binibili para sa tatlong barangay niya sa Laguna.
Kung meron si Ate Tin, pero wala eh. So ikaw.
Oo.
Kaya only child po si Joanna, pero yung buong angkan niya, pati mga ancestors niya, bibilhan niya ng OA. Ang OA nun, ang OA. Pero bibilhan niya lahat, mga pinsan niya, pinsan ng pinsan. Bakit be? Mahal na mahal niya yung family.
Ang dami niya kasi pera.
Uy, bali!
Yaman kasi
Ako po si Ate Aya, kasi si Ate Aya pag pumupunta siya ibang bansa, may pasalubong talaga siya.
Actually. Oo, guys.
Bumili rin naman ako para sa inyo sa Thailand.
Oo, si Mix din.
May bubog si Mix lagi. May bubog si Mix.
Very thoughtful talaga kayo.
Thoughtful.
To each other talaga. Oh.
Si Stacy po, nagbigay ng phone case.
Oo nga, phone case.
Joanna,
Sorry, Maloy,
magpapakita
nagbigay ng
lang.
bag.
Ayoko
Si
na.
Malon.
Sino ba?
Wala ako, wala.
Next time.
Next question is, who is most likely to mag-TikTok challenge or mag-TikTok dance challenge while on a trip?
Ito.
Ayan, nag-vacation kayo.
Anywhere, anytime.
Tapos naglalakad, tapos mag-TikTok dance challenge. 3, 2, 1, go! And it
Joanna.
is Sheena.
Majority.
Yes. Honestly po, I think it's Ate Jo. Kasi mostly po sa mga trip po namin, siya lagi roommate ko unfortunately, pero every time na talagang nagpapahinga lang ako siya, nag-TikTok sa CR, nag-TikTok sa sala, nag-TikTok sa kama, ay, I'm so tired of her.
GGSS kasi.
Oo po, kahit saan. Si Sheena, ikaw din. Nung
Uy,
nag-China
ikaw
tayo.
talaga.
Nung nag-China po kami, nasa airport kami. May mga, may mga foreigners.
Hit me up.
Oo, di ba?
Katapat niya, American.
Matyaga po si Sheena mag-aral ng mga talagang hardcore choreos po. Tapos iti-TikTok niya right after agad. Ganun siya.
Si Gwen din, super active ni
Oo,
Gwen.
super active.
Super
Yes.
active
Yes.
as in.
Grabe. Pero favorite ko yung TikTok ni Jo. Or, you and me is more than... Ang daming bebo.
Uy, kayo, si Ate Aya rin, active sa TikTok. Daming
Random pinopost ko.
Hindi, yung nakatitig lang siya sa camera tapos lalagyan lang ng caption.
Yan ang mga
Tapos mga point
mga less effort, hindi mga
POV.
sayaw.
So, si Sheena gusto niya yung dance talaga.
Ay, opo.
Talaga,
Si Joanna
Yes.
po.
Mga pang-reels, mga paganda, gano'n.
Ganyan, pa-trend. Sa
Bebe,
Tiaya,
mga
mga
ganun.
Random.
Mga effects, yung mga ganon.
Opo.
Like mga
Filters,
yan.
mga filters. na may ano.
Filters, there you go. Okay, ano ba yung recent dance challenge mo, Sheena? Pantropiko?
Hit me up.
Yung copy ko, ano ngayon? Ten.
yung... Opo, deng deng, deng deng, deng deng, deng deng, deng deng.
Oh, anong title?
Deng deng.
Okay. Ding ding. We will watch the deng deng.
Watch my deng deng.
Alright. Okay, so kanina sa first, who's most likely to question natin, di ba? I asked who is most likely to spend most of her time updating social media, and ang nakakuha ng most answers ay si Joanna and si Maloy. Alright? So, would you like to guys share with us naman? Kasi, you know, ang dami mga blooms, mga viewers siguro na, you know, ang hirap mag-post, ang hirap, hindi nila alam yung mga posing nila, di ba? So, you wanna give us some tips on posing and yung mga favorite shots nyo on vacation?
Ikaw.
Go, Maloy.
Favorite vacation pose, ganon.
Yung nakaganon si Ate Malay.
The nose crunch.
Nose curls.
Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
Cute! Gawin nyo!
Lahat po ba kami?
Okay, sige. Everybody, let's do
Kaya
the
nga, para
Maloy
makita
nose
nila.
crunch. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Cringe ako sa sarili.
Sobrang cute mo. Na-threaten ka ako eh. Close up po kay Jo. Close up po. Close up. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Si Ate Colette din, nose crunch.
Miguel kayo. Ito, pinaka-cute.
Oo, tatlo yan eh.
Knock na lang. I don't want no scrunch. Malay!
Ay, ha, ha, ha. I'll laugh for you.
Sige, mga selfie tips na lang kung ayaw mag-nose
Selfie
crunch.
tips.
Who's the sino yung mahilig mag-selfie?
Maloy.
Maloy talaga po.
Maloy selfie tips.
And Mix. Si Mika.
Ay, oo, si Mika.
Oo, si Mika.
Lagi
Sobrang
nagpo-post
lapit.
Pero di lang ako
Hindi mo
ma-post. Hindi ako ma-post.
Ano
Okay.
ba mga selfie tip? Know your angles. Yun lang. Tsaka kasi kahit pag be natural lang, kahit random lang, like just be true and ma-appreciate yan ng mga tao. Yan.
I love that.
And use Samsung.
Yes, because Samsung, you have the Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. Akala ko ad natin. Gawa tayong ad. Oh. With the help of One UI 6.1. Hindi na siya gumagalaw, guys. Okay, hinga tayo konti. Ayan. Because of course, diba, you can edit kasi your photos with, you know, the One UI 6.1 talaga. You can create stickers, diba? You can cut out the image, you can paste it, you can remaster your photos. And I think it's time for us to put it to action, to put it to action, diba? How we can add those stickers, those amazing features using your Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55. So this one is called Malify Your Selfie.
Wow, I wanna be mallified.
So all you have to do is take a selfie, right? And then pwede nyo rin picturean si Maloy right now. Or if you have a former or another photo of Maloy on your phones already. And all you do is use the sticker feature, right? You're gonna hold... Hala, ang hirap mo i-sticker niyan. Ayan. I think it's a little too close. And then, gagawa lang sila ng sticker, si-stick lang nila or ika-copy-paste lang nila yung sticker ni Maloy at their selfie. Tapos, i-judge natin mamaya.
Okay po.
And of course, you can use any of the features in your Samsung phones right now. The Galaxy A35 and A55 5G really have all these features talaga. And nakita naman natin that we've been enjoying all the features. And we'll be using it. Diba? Beanie's gonna be using it during their summer escapades and adventures. Ayan, while they edit or malify their photos today, letting you guys know that you can visit Samsung.com. Of course, if you want to get your very own Galaxy A35 and A55 5G and get exclusive live freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos, including free Buds FE of silicone case, a travel adapter. Again, just head on to Samsung.com and purchase your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G already. And ito na. Any of the blooms that stay until the end of the program, may chance kayo para manalo ng signed merch from Beanie. There we go. Nakita na namin to kanina. Kaya kung kakatunan nyo lang, if you just got here, you can get signed merch from Samsung and Beanie, but may pop quiz mamaya. Okay, so sana nakikinig kayo sa mga questions, taking down notes. This is very exciting, but you have to stay until the end of the live stream. Ayan, ready na tayo? ASMR.
Matibay po siya.
Ayan, pinapakita ni Maloy ang Samsung XU that you can win later on if you get the right answer. Signed nyo yan lahat?
Yes.
Diba?
It's from the bottom of our hearts.
Esophagus.
Okay, I think almost all the girls are ready.
This is, napakaganda po ng mga pictures nila sa akin. Grabe.
So this is to malify the photos. Okay, who's ready na? Pakita natin. Joanna,
I will rate it. I will rate
Yes,
it.
Maloy, you will judge.
Ate Kulit muna.
Sige, go.
Me, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Maloy, who do you wanna pick to go first?
Joanna, since... Wow.
Can we see? Ay, ang cute!
nga din.
Eh,
It's
pal
so
talaga si
cute.
Jo.
Parang orasan.
You can add up to 10 stickers in
Yeah.
one photo.
Actually, hindi lang isang photo yung pwede mong i-add.
Yeah.
Pwede ka mag-take pa ng ibang photos to make it a sticker, and you can multiply and add and add and add up to 1,000 photos. Char, 10 lang.
10 stickers.
I will rate that a 10 out of 10. Because it's yellow and... Because it's yellow. That's
Joanna,
it.
can we show our viewers? Ooh.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, who's next? 10 out of 10 for Joanna.
Next is our dearest Bebe. Bebe She.
Mine
Wow.
is this.
So creative.
It's Ate Maloy and I'm her blush.
Wow.
I'm her
Wow. My face there is so long.
Like chow
I love it.
It's a very nice angle of you.
long, like chow long.
You love it po?
Wow, so creative.
I
love
will rate
it.
that as 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Because you are the blush.
Thank you.
You make her blush.
You make me blush. But I look like a fish there. Just that.
Okay, next up.
Okay, our princess, Stacy.
This is my artwork.
Ay, ano yan? Ang galing! Tingin.
Can we see?
I made Ate Colette and Joanna Ate Maloy variant.
So, this is Maloy, Monami, and Kaloy.
Yes.
Wow. I will rate
Maloy, Monami, and Kaloy.
I will rate that at 10 out of 10 because you're so creative.
Cute.
And it's so seamless. Pwede pa
Ang
ganyan.
galing!
Ang galing ni Stako. Huy, real to. Ang
si
galing niya.
Stakaru?
10 out of 10. Tingnan mo.
Wow. Nakakatakot.
Grabe, and then inedit mo lang talaga siya with your
Yeah.
phone. In the,
Walang ibang app, just Samsung.
Wow.
Oh, diba? So easy.
Okay, next is Mika. Okay, naghang.
Hindi pa daw po siya tapos.
No, hindi pa siya tapos.
Nag-edit pa.
Okay, si Gwenny muna.
Wow. Ay. Wow.
Ay!
Parang ano?
Tingin.
Parang
Tingin
isda
ako.
na, ano?
Akala ko, mukha akong bundok doon. Ang ganda ni Bebe. Ang ganda ni Bebe.
Ganda ni Gwen.
It's a 10 out of 10 because Gwen is so pretty.
You're so cute.
10
too,
over
oh.
10 for Gwen.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Parang kang higupin niya na ano. Ang bibig ni Maloy.
You're so fun. Ang nakakatawa si Gwen today. She's so funny.
Mukhang
She's so
fish si
funny.
Ate
10 out of
10
10
over
ka.
10 siya. for
Gwen,
that.
you want to show it to our viewers? Your work of
Guys, ang
art.
creative talaga ng Bini. I love it.
Aww. Again, everything done on your phone. Sobrang galing nyo. Ang bilis-bilis lang nun, ah. So creative.
Apo.
Okay, who's next?
Next is Ate Oya.
Me, same but different variant. It's this.
Ang galing. Parang magkasama talaga nilang lahat. It's a 10 out of 10.
Thank you, my
'cause we're
dear.
kissing. And we love each other. It's a 10 out of 10.
There you go. Mag-vote na rin kayo, diba? Oh. Which one is your favorite Maloy-fied photo? Okay, next up.
Okay. Next is Colette.
Can I see?
Na makulit. Ay!
Wow!
Ang cute!
Ang baby yan so dapat 11 out of 10.
Okay, inutusan niya ako. 11
Yes.
out of 10. So makikita
yellow
niyo
din
dito,
yan,
this
cute.
is the Hambebes. And this is me. It's a 11 out of 10.
An 11 out of 10.
Ang cute! Ang
Kaya pala ang
creative.
tagal. It took a while. Diba?
Oo,
The
pinaghandaan niya. Pinaghandaan.
Yun na si Mika.
Are you ready?
Then,
Okay.
Go.
Oh, cute! It's the Mini Maloy. Mini Maloy.
ang cute.
Sonny Angel.
Hey, Mini Maloy.
Sonny Angel
It's a
variant.
10 out of... Mukhang Sonny Angel. Yung Sonny Angel na gumagalaw tuwing 3 a.m.
Parang duwende.
And what is your score?
10 out of 10 because I like Mika's smile. She's so pretty.
Oh.
Oo.
Focus sa ano.
Nadidistract ako sa mga mukha nilang magaganda.
So, ang dami mo na ipopost na photos, Maloy.
Yeah.
Of yourself.
Ipasa niyo sa akin yan
Alright?
Yeah.
Share it. Quick share it right now para ayan na, posted na. And congratulations. Sobrang creative niyo talaga. And if you guys also want to be able to edit your photos as fast as Beanie, get your hands on your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. Just head on over to Samsung.com for all of that. Okay, I think ito talaga yung mga, one of my exciting questions for you guys talaga eh. Kasi, you know, as Beanie, ang pinakamalaking kanta ata for the summer is yours, di ba? Summer Dance Craze, ibang level na ang naging success ng, of course, song Pantropico. Congratulations on that. And ang dami nag-upload ng dance craze, dance challenges from abroad. Marami na rin, di ba? So, ang dami na rin nag-attend. You had more than 200 fans and dancers for the Pantropico Global Fever. That's crazy. So, okay, because it's been so big already, like, yung question ko talaga is, alam niyo ba it would get this big? Like, you know, when you first heard the song, ano yung reaction niyo?
Ako top 1 ko yung Pantropico ko every time na may listening session kami. We had 3 listening sessions po, and then sa tatlong yun, top 1 ko po yung Pantropico talaga. So, malakas yung kutub ko sa Pantropico. I knew it will be a hit. Yeah.
Malaki yung trust namin sa Pantropico, pero parang feeling namin mas nagbigay kami and expect kami sa karera na song namin.
Baby namin yung
Opo,
karera.
yung karera kasi talagang sobrang hands-on. Lahat nagbigay kami ng input po. Pero itong Pantropico,
Hindi namin in-expect. Kasi nirelease namin siya November. So, pa-Christmas, wala siya sa season. So, ang dami nagtatanong bakit daw namin siya nirelease, bakit pa-Christmas. Summer ba? Hindi naman summer, pero nirelease pa rin namin. Pero I think perfect timing siya kasi mas na-milk yung song eh. Tapos ngayon na sobrang tinatangkilik na siya ng mga tao, sobrang perfect niya kasi it's summer. So thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta, especially our dearest Blooms. We love you, Blooms! Mwah!
Love you,
Thank you, everybody.
Diba? Because of that, top 5 weekly top artists PH. Because of Pantropico kayo, diba? And, you know, ang dami nagtatanong, ang dami nagpo-post. Feeling ko until the end of the summer, tuloy-tuloy pa yan. Hanggang every summer siguro, repeat na natin yung Pantropico. But, feeling ko, tinatanong rin ng mga tao and mga Blooms today, if, diba ang lyrics, can't wait to go back with you sa Islang Pantropico. So, girls, can you tell us, where is your Islang Pantropico?
With you.
Wow.
So smooth.
Wow. Diba? So, ang mangyayari, the girls will Google their Islang Pantropico on their phones. And then they're going to show us where that is.
I'm ready.
And kayo rin.
I
Sagot
have
rin kayo sa
mine.
comment section. Baka same kayo ng Islang Pantropico. Ang dami pang challenges with Beanie today. So, that is so exciting. Ready na?
Yeah.
Ready. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Show us your Islang Pantropico. Ayan. Okay, let's go one by one and then just mention what island that is.
This is Islang Siargao.
El Nido, Palawan.
Coron,
Palawan.
Anawangin Cove, Zambales.
Bohol po.
Cebu, Philippines.
Palawan din.
Boracay.
Hey! Ayan, I hope na pare-pareho kayo ng Islang Pantropico. Ang dami nga sa comment section. They said, same as Bora. Also, their Islang Pantropico. And another one says, Siargao nga ang the best Islang Pantropico. Nakapunta na ba kayo sa mga islands?
Not yet. 100 Islands.
Yes. It's time. Feeling ko pocket events. Wow. Right?
Yeah.
All around. Okay. So, ito na. Islang Pantropicos for all of us. And the dance challenge has been posted a lot. Pero honestly, girls, hindi ko pa siya alam.
Bakit po?
Perfect time to
Kasi sabi ko, I just like watching the challenges, diba? Pero naisip ko, since nandito na kayo, I think this is the perfect time. Is it okay if I ask you girls to teach me?
Yeah!
Wow.
Of course.
Sure.
All right, so we have Beanie members who will be teaching me the dance challenge today. Oh no. We have Sheena and Mika while everybody will be here and we're gonna learn the Pantropico Dance Challenge.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Take it away, girls.
Ready?
Yeah, let's
Let's
Am I ready though?
You're ready. I can feel it.
Okay.
Hype you guys up.
Okay. And then you need to start it really strong.
Okay, strong.
Okay? Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, ta-da-da. And then you need to sway your hips. Bawat araw mas sumasaya.
With the live
vocal.
Yes.
So, 1, 2,
Front,
3,
back,
4, and then 5, 6, sway. Ta, look there. And then, ta. And then swipe it. Yes, and then you gotta do no, open, and then this, and then
Cross.
and then
Alam ko eh, no?
yes, and then what else? Ako pa yung nakakalimot. And then cross, open. And then feel yourself. Oh, here you feel yourself more. Ta, and then up. And then this is the key. This is the islang pantropiko.
Okay.
5, 6, and 7, 8.
Okay. This is a key.
Yes, that's the point.
Key.
And then footwork.
Wow.
1, 2, and 3,
Wow.
4.
Slower.
Okay.
Single,
5,
double,
6,
double.
7, 8, and 1.
single,
Double. That's it.
Got it.
And then, hindi pa po tapos. Meron pa po. But this is the easy part, and ito yung talagang alam ng mga ano.
Okay.
The next one.
Okay, got it. Got
Okay.
it.
Super easy. 5, 6,
Yes.
7, 8, and 1.
Oh, this is the good part.
Yes, 1,
1, 2,
3, 4, and then cross.
Right.
Sa islang, and then wave. That's the beach. And then one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kabila naman po. 5, 6, and wave. Wave.
Yeah. Kita-kita tayo sa wave.
Yeah. Sa wave.
See you here.
Let's
Can
try
get
one
some waves.
countings
Okay.
before we do music.
All right.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then cross. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot. 1, single, double, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, sa islang pantropiko. And 1, 2, 3, 4, sa islang pantropiko.
Feeling ko ready na tayo mag-shoot gamit ang ating
Are we sure?
Music.
Hit it na.
Are we sure? Okay, Joanna will record the evidence.
Yeah.
Go, Jo.
Go, Jo, galingan mo.
0.5.
Nakapost ka ba?
Nakapost siya.
Let's go!
Music, please!
Go na!
Music
Guys.
maestro!
Woohoo! Full out. We will support.
Yes!
Let's go!
It feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Magmula na nakita ka, nawawala ng pangamba. Ikikating na. Feel like parang islang patropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko.
Galing.
Grabe, fast learner.
Fast learner.
Grabe.
Ay, wait,
Main
ay,
dancer.
may share po ako. Kasi nanginginig po yung kamay ko kanina.
Kasi hindi na record.
Hindi, sobrang pasmado ko po kasi pero sa video, super stable. Ay, no, ang stable ng video. Parang may stand tayo na gamit. Ang tangkad parang 7 feet.
Wow.
Parang di ako nanginginig. Pasmado po kasi
Pwede
ako.
ka na maging stand, Jo. Mag-video ka na.
Okay, Hinga, thank you so much, girl.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. I've been Beanie for a day. Beanie Cats, diba?
Beanie Cat.
That's who we are.
Alright, so, ayan, tama nga, stable. Can we watch the video?
Yes.
Ayan.
Watch the video.
Pasmado po talaga.
Ang galing, stable na stable talaga siya. Wow.
Sorry, ako yun.
Ang galing naman ang teachers ko eh.
Diba?
Puro post na yan.
Oh, di ba? Alright, thank you so much, girls. Sobrang, I was so encouraged. Sobrang, sa mga cheers nyo, very supportive. Beanie Cats. Beanie Cats for a day. Alright, and excited pa rin kami lahat, of course, to see all your Tropico Dance challenges. So keep sharing it. Mahaba-haba pa ang summer, di ba?
Yes.
It is the official summer song. Feel ko talaga dubbed official yan. Like, everybody loves it so much. And, like Joanna said, di ba, kahit shaky ka, lalo na pag nanonood ng Beanieverse, di ba, pag sumisigaw-sigaw kayo when you watch Beanieverse, you can have your A35 or A55 5G, and it will be absolutely stable and clear when you watch Beanie live, alright? Okay, also, what are you waiting for? We're giving you a little bit of time. Humihinga lang ako ng konti dahil I can't believe sinayo ko ang Pantropico with Beanie. Diba? You can check out Samsung.com to get your own Galaxy 35 or Galaxy A35 or A55 5G and get exclusive live freebies worth up to 8,000 pesos, including free Buds FE, a silicone case, and a travel adapter. And once again, we have those Samsung Beanie merch that is signed by Beanie that if you listen from the start of our live stream, kung nandito pa kayo kanina pa, diba? If you watched everything, you will have a chance to win this because we will have a quiz. Ayan, ang Samsung XU. And by the way, pinasa-pasa yan with a Beanie blessing. Samsung XU signed by all the members of Beanie, so you have a chance to win that right now. All right. So we've been getting to know Beanie throughout this entire live, and ang dami-dami namin natututunan about each and every one of you. But let's talk about now your achievements, the things that, you know, you've gone through as a group, as the nation's girl group. First, you started about, you know, your Star Academy or Star Hunt Academy experience, diba? And then your first live performance on TV, that was in 2020. Do you remember what you sang?
Sa
Dubai?
Pinoy
That
Big
was
Brother. First live performance.
As
No,
trainees.
Dubai.
Dubai.
Na may
Audience,
audience.
with audience is Dubai.
Kala ko as
Yes.
trainees.
First TV. Yes, first live performance on TV in 2020. And then, your debut single, Born to Win. And after that, you know, so many more memories and photos and experiences that you have as a group. I'm sure ang dami-dami yung gustong i-post, pero yes, nasa inyo pa rin, diba? So, I want to talk about, you know, how was that for you? Like, how was, you know, your debut single and your journey so far as Beanie from then and now?
I feel like back then it was very much harder compared to now because we were debuted in the middle of the pandemic. So we were just shooting in front of cameras. We never had like experience when it came to performing in front of an audience, the noise and the cheers, yeah. And we also had to do everything like kami lang talaga. Like our coaches would be the ones shooting our dance videos also, and we had to like run them 10 times just for one song so that we could get all the angles because we only had one camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So everything had to be like in a small studio lang versus
Inside our house po.
Yeah.
We used to be house
And we
together.
couldn't go home like
Yeah.
every day.
We can
kasi we're
we can
house.
even go out to see our family and friends po. Yes.
Limited resources, yung mga tao. Limited lang din po kasi ang pandemic. Very strict pa nung time na yun.
versus now na
Yeah.
pag lumalabas kayo to perform for everyone, how does it feel na, diba?
Kaya na-amaze po kami pag
Crazy.
laging may ganap po kami outside and then ang daming tao. Parang na-overwhelm po talaga kami. Feeling namin yung iba doon, hindi na mga tao. Sobrang dami po talaga.
AI? AI.
Nagmumultiply talaga sila po. Kaya pag mga cheers nila, lalo pag close yung venue namin, sobrang dami talaga. Hindi na po kami nagkakarinigan sa performance namin. Kahit naka-in-ear po kami, yung sigaw nila nakakapit.
Hindi nila going cheer quieter. Ay, parang boo.
Normally po kasi 'di ba pag halimbawa sa mga groups, mga K-pop, P-pop, may fan chant po talaga. Normal yung sumasabay sila. Pero may parts ng song, sila po kasi buong kanta.
Yes.
Kinakanta po nila.
Sinasabayan nila.
Parang sila yung may show. Kami na po yung nandun.
Yeah.
Meron akong nakitang
Nakakatuwa.
tweet na sa rap part namin sa Salamin, buong rap part. Tapos biglang sinigaw lahat ng Bloom na yun. Tapos biglang may nag-tweet, ba't parang nag-iba yung boses ni Mika, Stacy, tsaka ni Aya? Sana okay lang sila. Sana nakakapagpahinga pa sila.
Ginagawa po nilang karaoke po yung mga shows po namin.
Exactly.
Tapos meron pa, thank you, Bini, sa panood ng mall show ng Blooms. Kasi parang kami na yung nanonood sa kanila. Grabe sila.
But that's how crazy and how loving your fans are to you guys talaga. Memorize lahat. Diba? They will really be there. Emotions, nandun talaga lahat. And it's also because of what you girls give to them, right? Okay, so we're so excited. Ano kayang magiging result sa Beanieverse niyan? 3 days yun.
Sabi po namin sa third day, pag wala na po ko yung mga bosses, sila na po kumanta.
kumanta.
Kayo na kumanta, Blooms.
O, diba? At least you can do that. Alam nyo, memorize nila lahat. Right? Performance level. Alright, speaking of performances, sa dami, you know, you guys started 2020 and sa dami-dami yung performances, ang dami-dami nyo na rin napanalu ng mga awards.
Thank you, Lord.
Diba? Congratulations na, you know, ngayon pa lang kayo, you know, ngayon, wala pa kayong 10 years in the industry and you already received so many awards. You are so loved. You have the P-Pop Awards 2023, right? We have Sheena as the top female dancer.
Yes!
We have Aya as the top female visual.
Visual hole. Shut up.
And the top female leader, Joanna.
Master Jo.
Ang feeling.
Leader ng buong P-pop.
Close up.
So, Sheena, Aya, Joanna, how did you girls feel nung nanalo kayo ng mga awards nito in 2023?
Dapat hindi kasi wala po kami nung mismong awarding nito. May ganap tayo nun. So hindi po kami hindi kami yung nakatanggap talaga nung trophy. Pero syempre nag-speech nag-send kami ng mga pa-thank you namin, thank you message po. So thank you Blooms kasi nandito. Salamat po. Hindi ko alam ano dapat ma-feel doon sa top female.
Grateful.
Oh, grateful. Thank you po.
Thank you, Blooms. Nahiya lang. Nahiya.
Sa top favorite group rin kayo nung P-Pop Awards 2023, right? That's so thank you very, very much, Blooms, for all of that. Next up, we have the 9th Push Awards. You got P-Pop Group of 2023. How did that feel?
Ito din, nasa ganap din tayo nung nalaman natin na. Oo, di ba laging nasa ganap? May kasabay din to eh. Parang nakakuha tayo ng 2 awards in one day. Ano tong isa? Basta may kasabay po to na award din itong Push Award.
Push Award.
Ay, nasa China po
Sa
kami
China
nung...
natin, sinute yung pa-thank you
Opo.
namin. Kasi, wala,
Hindi namin makukuha.
Hindi namin makuha ng live
Pero
na live.
thank you po sa mga bumoto po for
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sobrang.
And they will keep voting as we found out kasi nga in 2024 naman, 2024 Excellent Filipino Awards National Outstanding P-Pop Female Group of the Year. You also have ito talaga. 2024 Billboard Philippines Women in Music Rising Star Award. Ang daming kinilig, ang daming sound. What is your reaction to this? How did you guys feel when you found out?
Sobrang kinilig po kasi we couldn't believe that we became a part of the award. Kasi po, Billboard is such a big name and first, yeah, yata in here in the Philippines to have that kind of award. And we got to share the stage alongside with iconic artists. So, sobrang kinilig po kami and we're so honored and grateful for it. So, thank you, Billboard, and to everyone who voted.
And you know, it's proof naman talaga siya because you guys, you girls, 3 million monthly listeners kayo naman kasi. 'Di ba? Highest peak of any P-pop group. Wow. Yes, wow. That is indeed. But also because you work so hard and we're so thankful na you really put out the music that you love and it really looks like you really care for the Blooms and your fans talaga. All right, so of course, simula pa lang to, we are looking forward to all the other awards that you will be winning in the future, not just here but also internationally. Speaking of internationally, dream big na tayo. Okay? Dream as big as you can. What is the dream project of Beanie? Dream...
Biggest dream ever po.
Biggest dream ever.
If dream big
Like
talaga,
where to
Grammy.
perform, hopefully.
Up, yeah. Where to perform.
Coachella. Grammys.
Dream big na.
Yeah.
Chela, mag-ingay!
Mag-ingay! Ayan, Coachella. So, Blooms, kayo rin. Ano yung mga big dreams nyo for Beanie? Comment it para magka-idea rin kayo, di ba? Is Coachella the biggest?
Grammys.
Oh,
yeah.
Kung pwede.
Super Bowl.
Grammys na lang po.
Who knows?
Super Bowl as well. We also have comments
Super
here.
Bowl.
Yeah, and we hope to fill up the Philippine Arena.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Manifest.
So, dito sa Philippines, fill the Philippine Arena.
Yes.
And then Coachella, we have the Grammys. Sabi nga ng isa sa comments natin, dream for Beanie, bigger concerts sa bigger venue.
Yes.
We will make
One
it
day.
happen. We will
Soon,
make it happen.
soon.
Hopefully, malay nyo bago matapos yung year. Sana, di ba, hindi natin masasabi.
Baka marinig kayo ng
Hopefully.
universe.
Yeah, let's
We shall
manifest.
see.
And another one says naman, manifesting a Beanie World.
Baka marinig ulit kayo.
I-manifest lang natin, guys.
Oh, louder pa, guys.
Louder, maririnig kayo ng universe.
Pakabait lang kayo at malay niyo.
Pero with the ways everything's starting, di ba? Ang dami-dami nyo nang na-accomplish and yet you are just starting out. We are so excited for everything that you will be accomplishing. Feel ko talaga yung world tour. Yan, very soon na yan. Oh. Because of all the Blooms around the world, kailangan, need na siya, no? You need to reach them. Okay, so, we have another challenge up for you. Ready ba kayo for another challenge?
Yes! We are ready.
Yes, I feel like super duper ready and this one is very exciting. It is called the 2 times Speed Dance Challenge.
Game na ba?
Okay? It is our final challenge for all of you. And I'm sure familiar kayo dito kasi madalas pinapagawa to sa mga idol groups, right?
Yeah.
This is the 2 times Speed Dance Challenge featuring your song, Salamin Salamin. So, ito na. Pipili na kayo. Sino ba ang mga...
I heard Colette. I heard Colette.
Ate
Joanna.
Colette.
Colette, Gwen, and Stacey.
Okay.
Kayong tatlo. Take the stage.
Go Colette.
So, let's have Colette, Gwen, and
Go
Stacey.
Gwen, tumayo na.
Go Stacey.
So, since last challenge na to, dito na tayo mag-cheer.
Yeah.
Let us support. And medyo mahirap
Unleash
to.
that side of yours.
Ayan na.
Show your fullest of all.
Totoo,
Fullest.
2 times.
Ayun na ang leader ng mga
Pinaka
OA.
full out.
Ate Colette, OA dapat daw.
Yeah, pinaka
This is our
OA.
OA line.
Pinaka-OA.
Pwede.
Gawin nyo for Samsung.
The fastest
ayan
and
ha.
fullest out.
Walang
Ready?
ano ah.
Fullest
Gawin ko
out.
to kung may ganun akong box. Yung ano.
Gusto mo rin ng merch nyo?
Wala mo ng merch.
Self-merch.
Guys, pa-OA-han to ha. Go.
Pa-OA yan ha.
May libreng cellphone.
All for Samsung. Kaya nyo yan.
Okay, ready?
For Blooms.
3,
Let's go.
2, 1, go.
Go guys!
Colette, huwag ka papatalo! Go, Colette!
Tatlo kayo.
Go, Colette! Gwen, you can do it! Hey! 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 Ha! Ha!
To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right.
Wow!
More! Pogo, 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 pa! Hey! Go, guys!
Guys, particles na lang
Parang
si Gwen.
patabi ko post yun,
Minsan
hindi
lang
sa
gumalaw to. Particles na lang siya.
Let's give them a round of applause. Grabe.
Guys, kasama si Gwen. Gwen, particles na lang
Wala
siya,
si Gwen.
guys. Ito na lang si Gwen. Uy. Ang OA.
Ang galing-galing. Parang ang dali lang. No?
Ang dali kay Stacy po. She's so
Yeah,
used
for
to
so
it.
basic.
Para siya
Wala pa mas mabilis.
Ay, may one more.
Mas mabilis daw po.
I think solo.
Faster
Joke
daw.
lang, joke lang.
Kailangan kami kakanta.
Hindi ko kaya niya 4
Kami
times.
kakanta. 5, 6, 7, go.
Kailangan at a 4 times challenge.
Natawa kay Gwen. Pag si Gwen ginawa po yun, microorganism na lang
Si Gwen dapat metronome.
Metronome dapat.
Alright, amazing job, girls. Next time, 4 times speed na ang gagawin natin for that one. And mapapanood niyan, of course. I'm so excited to be here talking about your Beanieverse and of course, your partnership with Samsung. But, you know, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan, we got to know you a little bit more. We got to know you better here at the Samsung live stream. Pero, since nga, ang dami na nating info na nabigay sa ating mga blooms na nanonood, it is time to give away. Colette, papibigay na natin yung merch. Okay lang ba?
Ate ko lang.
I want one.
Hindi ba ka naman umulan ng mga bag? Mamaya-maya.
Tingnan natin, baka you walk out of here with your own. Yes. Ayan. Bago tayo magpaalam, as you can see, itong exact merch ang makukuha ninyo. So, Beanie signed it, they held it, they gave it their love. Kaya naman, kung yung mga sagot sa mga tanong, kailangan nakinig talaga kayo from the start of the live stream, right? This is signed merch, of course, the Samsung XU collaboration. The artwork is created by Bea Policarpio and it even resembles an islang pantropico.
Yeah.
There is a mini bag, perfect for summer, and the stickers that you can use to customize your own device. Now, ang gagawin natin ay we have a total of 3 questions. Pinag-usapan namin ito kanina sa segment called Who's Most Likely To? The Samsung social media team will be giving the cue in the comment section. So kahit alam niyo na yung answer sa question, i-comment nyo lang pero hintayin nyo muna ang Samsung representative para valid yung answers ninyo, alright? For the first 2 questions, we have 2 winners each. And for the last question, we will only have 1 winner na signed merch, okay? We'll share the question and then after 5 seconds, you guys can answer. So please wait for the cue of our social media team para maging valid ang mga answers ninyo. So girls, pwede kayo magbigay ng clue. Yan. Give your clues as well, alright? Okay, let's go. For the Samsung XU Beanie signed merch, question number 1, we have 2 winners. The question is, who is most likely to use the stable HDR video feature to film their pet during vacation? Ooh.
Titingnan ko na lang yun.
Anong clue natin? Can't buy me love. Yung clue.
Yung name ng
Pangalan ng
character
bida.
dun, cam name ng
Pets niya.
Manood kasi kayo.
Oo.
Manood pinanood eh. Nagalit.
Okay, I think hindi masyadong obvious yung answers eh, no?
Dapat paghihirapan nyo.
Lalo na yung mga nakinig kanina, di ba?
Yes.
All right, so don't forget or don't worry because someone from Samsung will message you if you win. So all you do is comment. Comment lang gagawin natin. And let's see if you win the Samsung XU Beanie signed merch. Question number 2. Who's most likely to photobomb in a selfie and get edited out using the object eraser?
Clue. Alam nyo na yan.
Ito yung clue.
Dapat alam nyo. And you will never be silly.
Clue, sobrang haba ng pilikmata niya.
Or haban.
Magsukatan tayo.
Ayan na. Oo, alam nyo na.
Mahirap yung
Active ng Beanie.
Of course, this is for merch signed by Beanie talaga. Ayan, hawak-hawak nila ang Samsung XU collab. Wait for the cue before you give your answers. And we have one last question. This one winner only. Who is most likely to use their Galaxy A55 5G to film a TikTok dance challenge while on a trip?
Yeah, the zoom inner.
Nako, Bloom.
Yes.
Dapat alam
Si
niyo to.
zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom inner.
Sample nga.
Si Pantropico Girl.
Ang favorite niyang TikTok challenge right now is the Ding Ding.
Ding ding.
Ding ding.
It's
And
the Ding Ding.
kamukha niya po yung pet niyang si Wonnie.
Yeah.
Ito po yung
Nakawali
photo.
ng mga clue.
Alright, so we have 5 winners. Sana nanalo kayo, Blooms.
5 winners.
I hope you get these and mukhang nagpipay attention nga ang mga Blooms today because ang dami nating information that was given and we learned so much about Beanie today. But don't forget or don't worry because Samsung will message you if kayo ang nanalo ng Samsung XU. And don't worry, hindi kukunin ni Colette ito specifically. Bibigyan namin siya ng her own, right?
Oh, I want din po.
Ako lang daw, guys.
I want din.
Share daw kayo, ikot-ikot siya. Like Beanie. Okay, so girls, ayan na, umiikot. May umiikot na dito ng... Going around the world to manifest the world tour.
Yes! That's a sign. Ano
Nagpaparinig.
Clue yun.
Manifesting it as well. Girls, thank you so much. We know that sobrang busy nyo with your concert, with your preparation, and with your all your activities. And yet you always make time to be connected with Blooms, with your fans, and with everyone else. So we want to thank you so much. But before we let you go in your on your own already, we want to ask you guys, is there any, final message that you want to tell our viewers today?
Thank you, Bloom, sa mga nanood po ng live stream today. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo and may nalaman ulit kayo na about us. And sana supportahan niyo po yung mga next ganap namin.
Sa mga next ganap po namin with Samsung. Hopefully more lives and live shows, di ba?
And also our Beanieverse concert.
Yes.
Guys, it's the perfect opportunity for you to use your dual cam and your stable stabilization for
Para kuha nila yung reaction ng sarili
Yes.
nila and video ng mga performance
Yeah.
namin. So, get your Samsung now.
Saka hindi namin hahawakan yung phone mo unless it's
Samsung.
So, might
Go
as
get
well
yours now.
go get yourself a Samsung phone.
Yeah.
A35 5G and A55 5G.
I hope you guys post it so we can see your POVs. Yes.
And stream Tala Arawan!
Happy 3 million Spotify monthly listeners!
3.1 kahapon.
Wow.
Thank you,
Sorry.
everyone.
Thank you, Bloom.
Thank you, Blue!
Thank you, Blue.
everyone.
We love you.
There you heard it. So, yun nga. Hindi daw nila hahawakan ang phones nyo, Blooms, kung hindi A35 and A55 5G. Paano ba yan? I think it's time to get your Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. But we got you on Samsung.com. You can get up to 8,000 plus pesos of freebies. You get Buds FE. You get a silicone case. You also get a travel adapter. But the most important is partner kayo, same kayo ng Beanie, ng phone. And if makita out there, kukunin nila yung phone. Kayo na kukuha, diba?
Yes, kami mag-aabot. Kami pa magpipicture.
Yes.
Alright, there we go. All right. Before you go as well, we have one last surprise for everybody. We have ay, nasya ka? Maloy.
lang.
We have one last surprise for everybody. We have, of course, you are here. Since nandito tayo sa Create Awesome Live, you will be performing your brand new song, Salamin! Salamin!
Let's go.
There you go. So girls, go ahead. I think you have to do a little bit of preparation muna.
Yes.
As you do that, thank you so much for joining us. Sige, breathe, and then we will see you in here in just a bit.
2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Blooms, viewers, are you guys ready? Please welcome, performing their newest song, Salamin Salamin, it's Beanie!
Although misteryoso, di ko rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, naliwas sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda pagka nagsasimula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maisa lang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Ang puso ko'y mapapigyan. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Ganyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin? Ayokong maniwala, ayokong maniwala, eh. Na baka mabaliwala. Oh no, oh no. Pero sa iyong suya, pamamatay ng umusap, di ko kayang magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maisa ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream, baby. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Ganyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell my prince charming, I'm waiting for his call. Bakit pa pasikot-sikot para pang pinapaikot-ikot talaga? Mag-guess ano ba talaga ang next move mo?
Gusto ko lang naman
Malaman.
ano ba ang katotohanan?
Oh my.
Say now it's not too late, I'm ready to be called your princess, hey. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Ganyang tunay na patingin. Ano ba ang
Mahiwagang
salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin, sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, sa dingding, ano gagawin? Salamin, salamin, sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin?
That was so good! Congratulations, girls! All right, this is the Create Awesome Live here at Samsung. Beanie, salamat. Thank you for being here. So all of you guys watching, make sure to buy your own Galaxy A35 or A55 5G and get exclusive freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos, including free Buds FE, a silicone case, and a travel adapter. But again, sabi nga ng Beanie, sila pa ang hawak ng phone ninyo. Diba? If it is a Galaxy A series, ayan, you got it here. Now, together with Beanie, my name is Kat Salaw. Make sure to follow Samsung on socials and all their social medias and catch the next Create Awesome Live of Samsung. #Team Galaxy. Bye!
Bye, Blue!
Thank you.